welcome in Seema Lifestyle. Today I am going to show you how to make eggless vegetarian quiche. And quiche is French dish. It is going to be full of flavor and full of taste. So let's see what we need for it. To make our pastry crust, we need some flour. I'm using 300 gram flour, means 2.5 cup of plain flour, and then to 150 gram of butter. It is cold butter chopped in square pieces, and some in cubes, chopped in cubes, and some salt. I will make them like bread crumbs. I will rub butter in flour I will rub butter into the flour until it becomes like bread crumbs. Now it is ready. Look at this. It is looking like bread crumbs. All the butter is absorbed and combined very well in our flour. Now I am adding some water. I just need 8 to 6 tablespoon water, and then I will knead it again until it combined all together in a dough. I will make it in this shape. Just press it with both hands, and I will wrap it in a cling film and leave in fridge about half an hour. So here we go. Our dough is ready to make crust pie. It is coming straight from the fridge, and it is ready to roll out. So I am using some little bit flour to dust. It is plain flour, and I am going to roll it out. Look at this, how nice and buttery it is going to be. And let's see, we can measure with our tin. Yes, it is looking fine. Little bit, if I want, I can do little bit more, and we don't want to make it very thin, so it is ready to go on our dish. So that's all we have to do. Lift it and flip it over, and now press all over. Now I will cut extra bit. We don't need extra bit with the normal butter knife. We don't need very sharp knife for it. Now I will prick it. Then it won't lift from the bottom. It will stay firmly on our pie dish. And now I will cover it with butter paper. It is grease proof. And then I will use some beans. They are dry peas. You can use any beans you have. Then it won't lift up. It will help to stay it with bottom. Now it is going 130 centigrade preheated oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. Our pastry is ready. Come out from the oven. It's still very hot. And look at this nice flaky and crispy pastry is ready. So now I am taking all the beans out carefully. My flame is on. Now I am adding some oil. I am using olive oil. You can use any oil you want. And then I will, when it is heat up, I will add some onions which I blend in my mixer jar, so it will give a smooth finish. And then I will add chopped ginger and garlic and cook few minutes until it gets golden brown or it cooked. Onion is cooked, so now I will add mushroom and some corn, some broccoli, and I will cook them few minutes. Going to add some salt, some pepper, and I will cook them until they are nicely cooked, not very long. Still we want them very crunchy. Now our vegetable is cooked as we wanted. Now I will add some pepper and cook again just very few couple of minutes, because pepper cooked more quickly than other vegetable. And by the time I will chop my herbs. They are thymes and some rosemary fresh. Thymes is just like ajwain, like chrome seeds, and herbs, it is absolutely your choice. You can use any herbs, any flavors you would like to add in your dish. So it is absolutely your choice. I am just using those two herbs. They are finally chopped and they will go in our vegetables. Our vegetable looks fine, it is cooked. So I will turn my heat off. Now I am making custard. For custard we need some cheddar cheese, grated cheddar cheese, and some cream, and I'm just to thicken because we are not using egg. So I am having some corn flour, mixing it with little water. Then just mix it properly, then it will avoid lumps, and then I will add it in our other mixture. Mix it well. It is ready to pour on our quiche. For this dish, quiche, all the components are ready. Pastry is ready, my mixture vegetable ready, and some grated cheese I need to spread on, garnish on top of it. And then this is my custard. So first I will add on first I will add some vegetable, evenly. I'm going to spread evenly all over it. And I separated some pepper to decorate on top of it. They look so pretty. Now I will pour my custard. Evenly all over of my dish. Now I am spreading some grated cheese. It is ready to go again in the oven. This time my oven is already preheated on 180 centigrade. So it is going for about 30 minutes. And serve warm or cold as you want, and enjoy with your friends and family. It is looking just absolutely right as we wanted. So you tell me, what do you think about this quiche recipe? Crispy buttery pastry and creamy top with vegetable. Share your comment in my comment box, and if you like this recipe, please share, like and subscribe my channel for more fantastic posts. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Keep cooking, keep enjoying.